Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn moral science, and we are going to learn what chapter? Chapter 6. What is there in that chapter? It is I care for my pet. You love your pet, right? I love my pet. I have many pets at home. I have dogs, I have parrots, I have tortoise. So I have lots of pets at home. So I believe some of you must also be having a cat, maybe a mongoose, something like that. Let's check it out. Okay, there is a story here. We will unwind this story. So for that you will have to open My Best Book 5. Now this is I Care for My Pet, chapter 6 and page number 2. So come children, let's learn. So children, this is the chapter I Care for My Pets. Your television will not switch on till you write at least 4 tasks that you have completed through the day. One has been done for you. I completed my homework. What all you have completed, write 4 tasks that you have completed and then you can watch TV. Okay? Okay, come to the next page. From here starts the story. Dadima will tell you the importance of being responsible for your pet. When we have kept a pet, we should take up their responsibilities because they are animals. They cannot speak. If they are in pain, they cannot tell us that they are in pain, but they can express their happiness, and when they are sad, they can express that too. But you have to observe it very keenly. Lily was fond of pets. She always wanted a dog. Her father gifted a puppy to her on her birthday. Lily was delighted to see the puppy. She named him Harry. So there was a girl named Lily. She always wanted to keep a dog as her pet. Her father gifted her a dog on her birthday and she was very delighted. Like she was very pleased, very happy to see the puppy. She named the puppy as Harry. Lily's father told her to care for Harry as she was responsible for the pet now. Now, you want a pet? If you want a pet, you have to take up the responsibility, right? You cannot just keep a pet and your parents will do the task. You will have to do the task. You will have to feed the dog. You will have to care for the dog. You will have to take the dog out for a stroll, okay, for a stroll, and you should take proper care of your pets, whatever it is, cat, dog, whatever, okay? For the first few days, Lily looked after Harry. She fed him, she bathed him, she took him for a walk. After some time, she became relaxed about her responsibility. She stopped feeding Harry and asked her mother to do it. Now, for the first few days, though she was very happy and very encouraged, she took proper care of Harry. She fed Harry, she took Harry outside, she bathed Harry, but with time she started becoming little bit lazy and relaxed and she forgot about her responsibility. Rather, she asked her mother to do all the work of Harry. One day, Lily's parents were not home. She was busy watching television and forgot to feed Harry. After an hour, she got up to see where Harry was. She could not find him. She looked around the house but could not find Harry. She came out to search for Harry. She still could not find him. She was worried. Her father would be sad. He had told her to take care of Harry. She was missing her dog already. Now one day, when Lily's parents were not at home, they expected Lily to take care of Harry, but instead of that, what did Lily do? She started watching television and completely forgot about Harry. So after watching television, when she looked for Harry, he was not there. She looked for Harry everywhere in the house, but could not find Harry. Now she was scared and was worried that father would not like it because she did not take up the responsibility. Maybe father would get angry also or may get sad. She was missing the dog already. Suddenly she saw Harry running towards her. Lily could not believe her eyes. She took him in her arms and hugged him. She promised herself that she would always take responsibility of her pet. Now, then suddenly she saw Harry was coming running towards her. You know how dogs are such pets, however badly you treat them, they still love you. They love you without expecting anything in return from you, okay? Lily could not believe that it was Harry who was running towards her, so she hugged him and she promised to herself that from now she will take the full responsibility of her pet. Children, you should love and take care of your pets. And I would say, children, not only your pet, if you see a street animal or a street bird, please feed them or don't abuse them. Don't beat them, don't shout at them, because they also have a life. So be good to all the animals and birds. So hopefully you will respect and obey to whatever I am saying and practice it in your life. Till then, I will take leave from you. Bye-bye. Take care.